What's up, guys? It's me, Ace here. Back today. We're in.
Ace stole my pun.
We're in now in Icebreaker, and I'm already in the boss.
Homework. I hate homework.
I see chicken. I saved you.
You're so lucky.
Time to save you. Slow rolls. Get ready for those. Slippers. Sniper.
What ass?
I saved you.
But do this.
Wait for something to get from this.
What should the chairs be? Ace, you pick a chair. Come here. Come here.
I don't know. Come on. Kill this ice cream man. Kill it. Kill the ice cream man.
Go with the flow. Now from the make it.
Kill it.
I don't want to make the girls go
Crazy.
bong
Bong baby. I don't want to make the girls go bong baby. Peace out. Yeah. You see.
Where's the barrier?
Yeah.
Baby,
The ice cream.
the barrier.
He's not even a player.
Dang it. Don't say that to random people who don't know. They deserve hype. And you deserve butts.
You deserve butts.
Why deserve it?
Butts.
I'll kill you.
I'll kill you too. Ah.
You can't kill me. I'm the butt cheeks.
You're the butt cheeks.
No, I'm the hot cheeks. I said.
You're the butt cheeks.
I said hot cheeks.
The butt cheeks.
Ah, you know. I'm stuck with.
Grow up. Wait, grow up. Yes, grow up.
No! Grandma, smart.
Time to be grow up, guys. I was here the whole time, and already I'm already 6 years old. My birthday is in January. Should be. Where's my?
Hey, you got a booty like butt cheeks. And the butt cheeks. I like poop cakes. You like poop cakes. I love poop cakes. Poop cakes. Poop cakes. Poop cakes.
You're okay, baby Alan, cause
Poop cakes.
baby Alan always say from cupcakes, poop cakes.
Poop cakes. It's my birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank
Happy
you.
birthday, Timmy. I'm
Slingshot.
almost 10.
Slingshot.
Poop cake! See your poop cake.
Poop cake.
Who cares? Let me see it. I'm so excited to see it. This is my house.
Yes, yes, yes.
I respect. This is my cousin's house too. My hitch got a buddy like. Let's do. Hello. Okay, since she's new, okay, please accept. I will trade you something very special to me.
And that's all.
Here, you can have. Wait, I can give her. I don't know. Well, I can give her some.
I should know. I will die.
She said, come. She said, come. So I went to her house. There. Because she said, come. Duh. This is a visitor bathroom. No one can use my bathroom. They open the bathroom, and I have my phone. Strumming my pain with this thing that here's some rooms. Wait, this is
They're for the treats.
what treat? They never gave the treat.
I eat the dog treat.
Ew! You're disgusting.
No, from this one.
Okay, let's get dog treats. You're gonna eat them now.
No, I'm not gonna eat them in real life too.
You are, because whatever you do in Roblox, you need to do it.
I'm not gonna eat them. I'm not gonna eat them.
Don't eat them, or you're gonna do it.
I got a sling shack.
What? You got a sling shack? Did I just say he get a sling shack? What's a sling shack?
Shot.
You said you have a sling.
Go back. Thank you for the surprise party and thank you for the food.
The same thing. Who are you? Who the hell are you?
And I'm always low, but
I'm Noah.
Christine.
Stay up there.
Meadow, okay? Where's Meadow? Hey, doggy. Let's go back to the room. I got a dog and a cat.
And At least I got into the last one to be my friend.
Hey,
She accepts my friend request.
hey, doggy. Fetch.
Sometimes my dog is Okay, now we will make a place where we make a town.
What is she doing? What is she doing? My doggy. Doggy. Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, this is just the answer.
I have enough already. My friends have really lucky clips in my walls with my lucky charm. Do we need a bit of God to make a new
Doggy.
charm be?
Me and my dog is safe.
How do you know when your dog is sick? Are you a magician?
Look. Me and my dog is sitting.
You're sick?
And even Judas.
What?
Judas is with me and
This is
Adra.
not like that. She said what you know about love. Are you sure?
Okay. Doggy, fetch underwater.
Netflix!
Netflix and chill. The dog is safe underwater.
I want those.
No frisbee.
I think I'll make my house. Hi.
No. Ooh. Yeah, what?
Whee!
Yeah,
Okay, no. Cool. Chill. Cool.
ladies.
Whoever says hi to me, I'll send them all. Freaking me out. Cool. Like it. Maybe I'll do the same thing. Change. That's a real piano. Wrong. Basic.